Exercise 2B. So first, you should be in the English system. That's inches, and the circle diameter is inches as well. So this drawing is in inches already, but if I want to change it, I type in EWG units, and then this long list pops up, and the drawing units are displayed numerically. So number 1 is inches, 2 is feet, 3 is millimeters, 4 centimeters, and this little box here shows the units it's in already. So number 1 and the corresponding unit for that is inches. So if I want to change it to millimeters, or let's say I change it to inches, I type in 1 and it will ask me how I want the numbers to be displayed. I want it in decimals. Number 2, and linear display precision, this is how many decimals, decimal places. So 4 is okay. And scale objects from other drawings upon insert. Yes, yes. This is in inches. So object snaps that should be on are quadrant, midpoint, tangent, and perpendicular. Okay, so turning snaps on. Right here we already have midpoint, quadrant, perpendicular, and tangent on. So the only commands that should be used to complete this drawing are line, ellipse, and circle. So first we have the circle diameter, 6 inches. So go in circle that center diameter 6. Then you have a vertical line joining the top and bottom quadrant. Then use ellipse, axis end ellipse. So the endpoint of the ellipse should be this quadrant and the other endpoint this quadrant. So specifying it never gave any information about the ellipse. So I'll choose 1. We have lines, quadrant that are tangential to the ellipse. Line, line, and finally there are lines that are perpendicular to the tangent line. Starting at the midpoint, do them perpendicular. Snaps at perpendicular. So this exercise 2B is complete.